Hey guys, wagwan, it's your girl Lula Bell and welcome to my channel. Okay, if you're new here, my name is Lula Bell and we do makeup videos right now. So go ahead and surf to my channel, but for right now, we're gonna get into this tutorial. We are going into Berries by Beauty Bay palette. You're gonna get a fluffy brush, right? And you're going to go into Rose. We're gonna work into our crease first. And yeah, okay. I'm kind of nervous. All right. Oh, I love it already. So you're doing circular motions. Okay, circular motions. Y'all know I like my circular motions in the crease. It's going to match the outfit that I have planned. All right. Also, what goes first, hair, makeup, or clothes? Again, just circular motion. I believe that it's hair, makeup, then clothes, the way I just said it. You see my hair tied up. I already kind of got it in the style. We're going to go to the other side and circular motion. Now you can go in as many times as you want to make sure it is as pigmented as you would like. This is like our background color. I'm gonna be more so focused on getting the pigment right for the cut crease. Your background color is supposed to blend in with everything, so it's okay. Plus we have another shade that we'll go into in our crease. So this is our first color. Now with another fluffy brush, I'm gonna go into Loyalty. Now this will really be in your crease, a little bit beneath. That's Loyalty right there. Going to go into the same spot, but we're not going, actually we're doing window wiper to make sure we get really pigmented right there. Why didn't we go in with Loyalty first? We didn't go in Loyalty because we want an ombre effect. Makeup is so much more fun when they cannot tell how many colors you used. Again, just going left and right. Because as you see, the outer edges is pink. I'm gonna go back into Loyalty and do the other side. Just finding like the deep pockets of your eyeball is what will help with this. It helps it look darker. To do our cut crease, oh shoot. I'm gonna go in with my white concealer from LA Girl Pro Concealer. And I'm putting it on my hand, a blob of it. Like I said, your hand when you're doing makeup is your Picasso. If you really want to make this like extra perfect, you will wipe off your base. But since it's pinkish, I don't really mind. If I was doing like an extra light pink, which I'm not doing, I would clean my base. But since I'm not, I don't mind this as my base. So I'm just gonna put some white right here in the center of my eye. And then I'm going to get along to my, okay, y'all see that one piece? I'm gonna cut it because that will literally mess our makeup up, like for no reason too. Yeah, it's gone. So I'm gonna go in to the corner and just do like a crescent, right? Okay, like that. And you're not going past a certain part of your eye. Since this is a half cut crease, you don't have to go past like half of your eyeball. Sometimes it helps if you look up to make sure that
your cut crease, the highest point is being met, because you wouldn't want to do your cut crease lower, and then when you blink, your concealer is higher than what you anticipate.
So as y'all can see, it kind of looks messy, so we're just gonna brush around to clean up. And now I'm just gonna go back in with the white. That might be a lot. This is not a full cut crease, so I'm not gonna bring it all the way down. I do have my video, the monochromatic pink, where I did kind of do it all the way down, but I technically didn't walk y'all through the steps of a cut crease. So this is fully dedicated to that, and we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. If you didn't get it the first time, I'm showing y'all again on the second time. Yeah, I'm kind of thirsty. So yeah, we're gonna go here. Wait, can we take a minute to like admire that ombre right here? Like that is hot. I would walk out just like this. This is equivalent to like when you're getting your nails done and you want to leave your nails at that certain step. Like this is beautiful. I mean, obviously I'll cut this and, you know, do my whole face. But anyways, back to the process. So back to the bone. Kelly, what the hell was that? I hope that is my point, because if that's not my point, I'm gonna be mad. So I was trying to show you how to do it the other way. Like I looked up. Now I really got to connect it over there. Oh, goodness gracious. Okay. So I'm just creating that base. So I'm not having too much and I'm trying to glide it and make that cut crease. And you're really just trying to connect the dots. Oh, did I kind of eat with that? And did. Okay. Okay, I was so focused here that I did not speak. But basically, I'm just shading in where I connected. You're really just going to keep fixing that cut crease to make it as seamless as possible and shade it in. Sorry, I might have to do a voiceover because the way I was just locked in for a second there. Now we're gonna go in back into the fairies and we are going to start tapping. I say tapping because that's how we build product. When we are on the lower part of our lids, like below your cut crease, you usually tap to increase the pigment. Okay, thank you for coming for my TED Talk. We're gonna go into watermelon because you did rose and I like watermelon. Or should we do carnation? I feel like watermelon is kind of close to rose. We'll do carnation, and then if you're really feeling up to it, we'll put watermelon as a transition color. Are you feeling me? Okay, but let's go in with carnation. We're gonna go in with watermelon. Yeah, that's better. Ooh, I like that. So go in with watermelon. And you're just tapping to build that pigment. Perfect. Oh, yummy. Okay, so we're gonna keep doing that and I'll be right back because again, you're just really tapping, so I'll be right back. I may have accidentally done my full face off camera. So let's address the elephant in the room. Obviously, my makeup looks chopped. I was trying to do the little pink under eye thing. We're still working with it. We're gonna figure it out. Please don't judge me. You can still watch my full face. It's usually better than this, not as ashy. Actually, it was an accident. If you want to see my full face routine, go ahead and click this video. Okay, so I feel like more can be done. So because I truly just want this to be a complete one eyeshadow palette look, I really would add shimmers, but I don't want to add the shimmers from that palette, but I also don't want to put too many products in one video. So what we'll do instead is, if I were to add shimmer, right, I would use this product. It's very affordable. It's right here. Yeah, she eats down. You can use a pink. I would either go for silver or this color, but this color is low-key like, yeah, no. I would do this and I'll put it right here and call it a day. But I want to do more. I want a Nicki Minaj inspired wing. I say Nicki because Nicki used to have her wing liner cut to the quads. So I have my hand dandy liner and I've done an eyeliner look kind of in a previous video, the prom glam video, but it wasn't like a complete wing. This is gonna be winged out. Like, we finna talk about this for generations, okay? So when I say winged, I mean like, I hope I include an example, but bear with me. Can y'all see me though? I might look too high. Hold on, I'm gonna lower this. This is not a wing liner tutorial. You can watch me do it. I don't know how else to tell you. I barely get my winged liners to look like twins. They look like cousins, related, but you're not really sure. Okay, so I'm gonna start from here because I want it to be extra winged. I usually start from over there. Oh, yeah. I'm already loving it. And just fill it in. I really could just leave it like this. What do y'all think? I have to fill it in. I just said, I literally prepped a whole speech about how I said I would fill it in. Maybe next time we'll like go for editorial, but you know, because y'all don't know nothing about editorial. Y'all don't know nothing about editorial. Or maybe you do. But anyways, we're gonna fill it in. How are y'all feeling about the makeup video so far? Like, are we loving it? Consistency is key. And if you've been with me for a while, you know I've rebranded so many times. It's like, babes, what are we doing? I feel like I finally found my niche. This is not to say that I won't venture out and do other videos ever again. I probably will do other videos, just not right now. That was so tea that I'm scared to do another one. Like, that looks amazing. Ay, Dios mío. Okay. Not me contemplating if I should play the video back to see how I did it, cause you know I got the sauce in. I'ma get nasty. All right, so I know. I make it hard till I go. Okay. Oh, I already feel like I messed this up, bruh. And you see, when it's this cute and when it's this tea, I just feel like we don't even need like extra product. Like, talk to me nice or don't talk. When I say extra product, I meant lashes. I just had a moment where my brain checked out. I know, I make it hard till I go. Also, how do we feel about my under eye? I tried to do that rose like underneath the eye look and I hate it. I will definitely be, excuse me, returning this, but I do want to go in for a more baby. I'm gonna try another look with it before I truly give up, but I just look horrific. I look scary. I kept having to put concealer like back underneath just because I feel like I look ridiculous. A lip, actually, we need to set our lip. To make your lip combos last longer, you're supposed to set your lip. So let's set our lip while we do our lashes, right? Yum, yum, eat them up, yum, yum. I'm feeling very pink inspired. So today's lippy will kind of be pink. I did like the blush. Only thing I'm noticing about NYX Buttermelt blush is that it's shiny in a highlighting way, and I don't like that. Like, I literally have to set my blush because just the blush powder is not enough, which I'm not really appreciating. I'm going again to try this one more time. If I don't like it, I will be returning it. I would deal with that with my other blush, and I'm not gonna do it again. Like, I'd rather just get blush from a whole different brand, which sucks because I really wanted a baby pink blush. I feel like the current blush that I have is very like summery. The current blush that I have is it's called Butter with Time. And as you can see, this is like more, I don't know, I feel like it's summery. Like, it matches well with my makeup. I want a blush that's baby pink and pops out. Sorry, I'm just like yapping instead of doing actual makeup. Sorry, I was like, what the hell? Okay, so I wanted to come back and do my lip combo for y'all in live action because why not? It's not like y'all are watching a lip combo video anyways. Plus, this is not a nude. So I'm going in with my LA Girl lip liner in the shade Berry Wine because I'm very fine. See what I did there, yeah? All right. Now y'all know I like to overline my lips, but for some reason I forgot to sharpen. I was so lost in the sauce. He was gonna go. Let me stop. I'm getting in my little Kim era. This is called Inspire by Maybelline. I actually should have gotten Dreamer. But that's okay. He was lost in the sauce when he eyed me. He got down on his knees. And if you think something wrong with me, probably is true. Get out. I ain't good. Then leave. Then leave. Get that bread. Get that. Then leave. Peace out. Club Godzilla. I ain't tricking. I ain't down bad. To the ground. He a freak. If you're clean screen. All right, so I'm gonna go back in with a white because I really want a white center. If you know me, you already know that my lip combos are layered, multifaceted, and complex. Okay, and if it ain't me. Or I'm in a rush. So I'm gonna put a little bit in the middle. I'm like tasting it. Whew. All right, that's cute. That's really cute. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come back and we're gonna be all done. I'm gonna talk about the look, and I'm gonna ask you how your day was, and you're gonna ask me how my day was, and then yeah. Okay, so this is the final look. Again, I'm not really feeling my under eye look, so not too much on that, but I feel like we did what we had to do with our cut crease. If you still have questions, I just might have to answer in the shorts about the method because I ain't really doing this video, but I do want to do another cut crease video, so that should be on the lookout for that. If you're looking for other eyeshadow videos to watch, I have this playlist. I didn't like using that rose under my eye. Lip combo is 18. I did throw on my Delicious lip gloss in this shade Crushed Strawberries. I feel like you cannot see the ombre as much as like before, but that's okay. The lashes are okay for this look. It's not too much. I really like my wing liner. She came through. And what else? And yeah, I got my pink fit. It's crazy because when I first wore this, it was my birthday and I had blonde brows, or I tried to have blonde brows. In reality, I just I didn't have no brows. Horrific. But I really like how this came out. Let me know what you think. The wig kind of is doing what it needs to do. Not too much on the little bun in the back because I like it like that. If you have any questions, if you have any recommendations for products, anything you want me to try, let me know down below. If you have a specific eyeshadow look or makeup look that you want me to show y'all, teach y'all, let me know down below. Again, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you have a great day or a good night. Toodaloo. Is this recording? Okay. Loyalty, loyalty, loyalty. Actual makeup. Sorry, I was like